The following is brought to you in part by Delta Brand, delivering design-forward and innovative collections that people not only know, but demand.
All right, so I've just stopped by the Sherwin Williams booth here at the International Builders Show, talking with Jeff Winter. How are you today, Jeff?
I'm great. How you doing?
Awesome. Now tell me, how old is Sherwin Williams?
We celebrated our 150th anniversary last year.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Covering the earth, as it says.
Covering the earth with color. That's right. That's right.
Awesome. So tell me, what are you most excited about featuring at this year's show?
Yeah, so at this year's show, really, we've got a tremendous blend of color, since really that's what we're all about.
Yes.
Technology and how we're using technology to make color selection and tools easier. And then also great products. You know, what are the things that is really going to carry that color to the final project and turn it into, you know, your work of art?
Wonderful. I noticed you have some beautiful color palettes around the booth. What are some of the trends that are popular right now?
Yeah. So we still see gray has been on trend for several years. We're seeing gray continue to be on trend. But I got to tell you, we're also seeing people that want to inject a little color into their life. And so when we take a look at some of the trending colors in the palettes, we'll take a look at some of those colors that people are using to inject that little bit of color into that gray overall palette.
Beautiful. I've seen some beautiful bold colors, really making a statement in any room.
That's
make
right.
it special.
That's right.
Excellent. Now, I understand you have a new technology that's going to help us to match the color that we may already have existing with the Sherwin Williams color. Can you tell us a little bit about that, and maybe we can take a look at it?
Sure. So sometimes you're just in love with the color that you have, but you know, maybe you threw the can away in the basement, and you know, we've all been through that. Well, we have a new tool called Color Snap Match that makes it really, really easy to figure out what was that closest Sherwin-Williams color to what was on the wall, so you can recreate that masterpiece that you had, you know, 5 years ago.
Perfect, and great for touch-ups or smaller areas. Can you show us it?
Sure, come on, let's take a look.
Perfect. All right, Jeff, I'm ready, excited to see this.
Yeah.
So I have the color sample.
Yeah. So this is what's called Color Snap Match. This little guy right here, believe it or not, talks wirelessly via Bluetooth to an iPhone or Android device. So let me show you how it's going to work.
Yeah, let's see it.
So the first thing I got to do is just got to get it talking, right? Let's get it talking to my phone, and it's good. It's talking. It's connected. So we got to calibrate it, right? This is a technical tool, and it's successful. So we've successfully calibrated. So what's the color? Boy, that's a pretty color you got there.
Let's go with this one right here.
All right. So I'm gonna set it on there. I'm gonna press scan, and it looks and it says the closest color is Connor's lakefront, and you can see. Like,
that is amazing.
That's close. That's really close.
You can take this on any wall or piece of furniture.
That's right. So it could be that wall, that room that you just don't know what color it was, but you loved it. Mm-hmm. It could be the pillow from your sofa, you know, that you want to coordinate the decor in the room. There's a lot of really cool ways that you can use Color Snap Match.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
And I think you have one more thing to show me. What are we going to look at next?
Yeah, let's go talk about the products that these awesome colors can go with.
All right.
All right, great.
So Jeff, tell me what is new in this world of paint. How are you advancing? Right,
we've been talking about color, but right, something's got to bring that color to the project. Mm-hmm. So we have a couple really cool new products that we're introducing this year. So the first is called Snap Dry. So we've all been in this situation where you paint your front door and you close it just a little too soon, right? And when you reopen it,
sticks and peels off.
It peels off around the edge. Oh, that's a nightmare. Well, Snap Dry is a product made specifically for front doors that allows you within an hour to close that front door, and it's going to resist that weather stripping. So last year we introduced Snap Dry in a semi-gloss. Mm-hmm. This year we're introducing it in a satin finish because satin front doors are really on trend these days.
Right.
And we wanted that same technology in a satin finish.
An hour, that's unbelievable.
It's a real problem solver.
It really is, very practical.
So the other really cool product we're introducing this year is called Locks-On Self-Cleaning Masonry Coating.
You got to be kidding me. Come on.
I know it sounds like science fiction, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So most masonry coatings are a little soft and dirt wants to stick to them. Locks-On Self-Cleaning is designed so that dirt kind of stands on the surface. So the next rain that comes through, it just rinses right off.
Oh,
It's pretty amazing. I mean, a real specific trend these days is people wanting to paint their brick homes, light colored, white. Yep. This is a really great way to accomplish that, but keep it looking super for much longer.
Wow, that's fantastic. Thank you so much, Jeff, for sharing everything from trends to new technology and how paint is keeping up with the times and our needs for our busy life.
Yeah, thanks for stopping by.
Absolutely. Great to see
All right.
you, Jeff.
Thank you
so much.
All right.
For NGHTV.com, I'm Krista Inakovsky.